off all these ends. See? Ta-da! Time to cut my hair. It's the U.S. Spearfishing Nationals Awards tonight, and I want to just cut it a little bit shorter so I can style it for the event. So I'm going to use the large curved CreaClip, and I'm going to show you how you can create some layers. So it's super easy. I flip my head over, comb out any knots, and I'm going to gather hair, lock into place, and I'm going to cut about this much off. See how I can do that? Just trim off all these ends. Sure you can see. Ta-da! Nice layers, huh? Okay, I'm not done. I'm gonna do one more. You take that from the temples up like that. And I'm gonna only trim this part now. Tuck the rest away. I'm gonna trim a little bit more. This is called the 3-layer haircut. And clip it up like this. Comb it down once and do it again. Okay, I'm gonna take another inch off that. That's just gonna create a little bit more layers for me on the top of the head. Cut a little bit more, about an inch, another inch. Okay. All right, that's a little bit more. And then one more. So this one, I'm gonna use the short curved CreaClip. I'm gonna do some curtain bangs. And I want some pieces to frame my face, so I'm going to section from the top here, and I'm gonna bring it all the way to the sides. So I'm just gonna section like this, a little bit in front of my ear there, because I want just some long pieces. I'm gonna make this side a little bit more. Okay, so here's the section. Okay, clip it like this, slide it down, and I'm gonna twist, and twist 3 times. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna create a little bit of a short to long. Let's just trim that off right there. I just want some smaller pieces around my face. And when we twist it, it goes short to long. See how much longer this is? I love that. Pin them in place to give that curtain look, like that. I'm gonna curl the hair. Okay, that's what it looks like. Lots of layers and curtain bangs. Okay, show you the back. Hope you liked this episode.